Welcome. If you wanna turn on the save location option on your photos and the videos, let's open the camera, then click on the right upper corner and scroll down a little bit, and here it is our option. So use this marker to turn on this option. And as you can see, we have also give the permissions location to our camera. So click on this marker to get access to location of our camera, and right now when we go back to the settings, you are going to put this marker, and okay, we have also to turn on the location. Okay, and right now finally we have just turned on this option, and right now we will see where your photos and videos were taken. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.